Okay, in this video we have a company that sent me some tools to review, and let me get you off the tripod and bring you in closer on the table and get you a little bit better closer up shot. Let's get into it. Okay, like I said, this company Wiha or Wiha, however you want to pronounce it, tools sent me these tools to review. I can honestly say that they are awesome tools, because I have some of these, and let's go over here to the toolbox and I'll show you. In fact, I've used them on, sorry about the shakiness, but I've used them on my clutch adjustment video, and I've used them several times. But anyway, here they are in my toolbox. This is the metric set, standard set, and this is the Torx, but these are all 3 ball in. The ones they just sent me are not ball in. They're Torx, but they're not ball in Torx like this. These are awesome. So let's go back over there to the table and get into it a little bit more. So, as you can see, these are not ball in. Give me just a second and get these things out of the package and everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's see, this is the sticker pack, if anyone's interested in it. You can go on their website and order it. It comes with those stickers. That's pretty awesome. This here is the part number for the bottle opener. There it is. I'd have to say it's pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Anyway, next we have these Linemans pliers, and I have to say I've had several different brands of these, and these are the best ones I've had so far. I haven't used them yet, so I can't really tell 100%, but you know, they are awesome. They come with the crimper for non-insulated crimps. Let's see, look at there, no hassle guarantee. Made in Germany. I'm wanting to see if I can find a part number. But anyway, they're the 9.5 inch, I guess is what they are. Yeah, they don't really have a part number on them, do they? Yeah, model number. Right there. 32624. If you want to order them. I have to say, I mean, like I said, I've owned several pair of different brands of these things, and these are awesome. I mean, you can't hardly get any better than that. Alright, now let's get into these. As you can see, they are Torx. What I like about these here, hopefully I can get this or do this with one hand, but what I like about these is you don't have to fight with them, getting them out and all that crap. You just turn one and it opens all of them. And then you just easily pull whichever one you want out, and then turn them and it closes it. I love that. I mean, obviously that's just the holder doing that, but you know, the tools are awesome too. I've used them. I haven't used these, but I've used my other ones that I have that I just showed you, and they're great. I mean, I can't say enough good things about them. I mean, you know, just like all the videos on YouTube that's showing tools, I would suggest you do your research and ask questions. Don't just listen to one person. You know, do your own research, make up your own mind whether you want to buy the tools or not. I'm not telling you to buy these tools, I'm just showing you them and telling you that, in my opinion, they are great. So if you want to buy them, that's up to you. It's your choice. Anyway, if anybody's wondering the sizes, there they are. It goes from T5 all the way to T45. That's pretty much, even has the T27, so that's pretty much all of them you're ever going to use. Thanks for watching. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.